Okay, can you get past me?
Maybe.
Whoa, look at him.
Hi, Bulby. How's he going? Come here, bud. Oh, don't throw up on me. Oh, he did it again. Ow, ow, ow.
Andrew, get him off. I'm not good with this. I'm not good with this.
Come here, bud.
Oh,
You're okay. You're okay.
oh, he smelled bad.
Oh, you're okay. Ow! Don't bite me. Dude. No, he doesn't smell bad. The vomited fish right there is
Where's the vomit
right
fish?
here.
Nasty.
Oh, God, it's warm again.
Why are they doing this? They're so slippery. Oh my gosh, this is terrible.
Hey, just relax, dude. Just relax. Just relax. Come here. Come here.
I had
Look,
a-
smell like your vomit.
I had a bird on my head.
Come here. Oh, you're okay.
No, 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 no.
Don't let him in.
I don't know what to do.
Look.
Oh my gosh. We have a bird inside the boat. We have a bird inside the boat. We have to...
Come here.
Oh gosh.
Come here. You're all right.
Oh.
Dude.
Oh God. What just happened?
I don't know.
Oh, did he fly away?
He's in the water. Where's the flashlight? Let me make sure he hasn't, like, drowned. Oh, for hell's sake, guys.
This is gonna be the most epic video.
All right, turn it off.